o tle ke etse tjena hona ntho ke batlang go etsa mona ke batla ke letsetse mona ke batla o letsetsa mona ke ba botsa hore ba etsang batho bana thola wena ke batla ba botsa thola wena dula le nna ke batla ba letsetsa batho ba sila fatsa dropo batho bana man ba failma ka dropo batho ba. Hello. Fine, and how are you? Hey, man, tell me, I saw a lot of pamphlets here in town talking about abortion, enlargement of what. Are you a doctor?
What?
Are you a doctor?
Yes, I am.
Are you a doctor? Where?
I'm a doctor.
Why do you put these lots and lots of abortion papers everywhere in town? Wherever you go, you find these dirty things of abortion papers, enlargement of penis and what. Can you enlarge people's penis?
Yeah, I can.
Can you do that?
I can do that.
You can enlarge somebody's penis?
Yes, I can.
Hey, Wena. How
Serious?
can you do it when somebody's 20 years already, 40 years, 50 years? Can you do that?
I can do it.
Hey,
Serious.
You are a doctor.
Yes, I am.
From which university?
No, it's Abo Medicine. Abo Medicine doesn't need university.
Which university?
Abo Medicine doesn't need university.
Doesn't need medicine. Doesn't need university.
It's because it's Abo.
It's Abo.
Yes, it's not pills. It is Abo Medicine.
Abo medicine. But do you think South Africa here we allow Abo medicine?
Yes, Abo Medicine is allowed.
I've never heard of that.
Serious.
So that you say you can enlarge somebody's penis. You also do abortions safe, free of not being a doctor.
Yeah?
Yeah?
I can enlarge someone's penis.
What?
I can do it.
You can do it.
Yes.
Please don't come and do it here, my brother, man, because we are not a qualified,
Serious.
medical doctor that you
qualified.
write all these things on our walls here, abortion, what.
I am qualified. I'm qualified.
Joe, thank you, my brother,
Serious.
with your qualifications. Kore, dintho tse tjena momamedi a ke le utlwe mohlolo ke a le kopa batho ba bo rona ka nnete ke a le kopa ho menahane a ke le hlokomele ntho tsena tse ngolwang mona bo ditrateng batho ba re abortion they can enlarge the penis and what ke mo ba re ba enlarge ka abo jwale ntho re sa itsebe mono ba re ke abo what o tla wa ntho tsene di tla re fatshe phuthalala o bane abo yeno ha o itsebe hore na ke eng wena o eme ba lo abofatsa mono ke a le kopa hle batho ba bo rona ka boikokobetso le bona tropo tsa rona di ditshila jwang ke batho bana ba behang dipampiri tse tsa bo abortion batho ba behang enlargement of the penis ba di beile di tletse ditoropong mona ke ntho tse ntenang kaofela tseno kore di a ntena ke ntho tse makatsang hohle ha o tsamaya toropong mona a ko lo sheba fela mo batho bana ba dulang teng mane bo o feta bo Hoffman Square a ko tsamaya lo feta pela dikolo mane batho ba enlarge bona yeah ntho tse ntenang kaofela tseo motho motle o no mametse lenaneo la mme o tla dula lo mamela ka dinako tsohle ke lenaneo le monate ya mpele na motle la enlargement